Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm going to show you how you can autocorrect your photos in Photoshop. So I have two cinematic shots and they are a bit warm. I'm using this image for an example. So if I want to autocorrect the photo, I'll simply go to image, then click autocolor. And you can see it's now in a neutral form. Now if I click auto contrast, it will keep the neutral contrast. And same with the tone. This is a very handy tool, and Photoshop is smart enough to understand different modes. So for blue, it will try to keep in a neutral tone, and also the contrast and the color. And it is also very good for toning. Like I have magenta in this final photo. This helps you a lot when you have captured a photo and the actual photo had a bit of darker tone, or the contrast was a bit high, or the white balance was off. It will assist you a lot. So it was a very quick and easy tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it.